Vamos a ver animales de chiquitos a gigantes. A ver.
Estos son animales bebés que de grandes son gigantes. Pero antes, sígueme y deja like si amas a tu familia. Y si quieres conseguir pavos, diamantes o Robux, entra en el link del comentario fijado.
It's just a cigarette, I cannot be that bad.
Honey, don't you love me? And you know it makes me sad.
Just a cigarette, like you always used to do.
I was different then. I don't need them to be cool.
Estos son animales